Liane Lee. I'm a senior digital matte painter and I've been working in the visual effects industry for over a decade. I've been lucky enough to work on some notable shows such as Dune 2, How to Train Your Dragon, Mad Max Furiosa, and Silo. In this workshop, we'll begin by honing your artistic eye through an exploration of cinematic fundamentals and shot analysis. From there, I'll guide you through my complete design process from concept to final. You will learn about my workflow using 2.5D matte painting techniques and creating simple 3D assets using Blender, Photoshop, and Nuke to create a 5-second photorealistic and cinematic shot. Let's get started.